Mula dito muli sa BREN Convention Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. One game is done and we have 5 games to go. Ang ating matchup ngayon, ang 1 Magalang versus LUBAO. Ang 1 Magalang mayroon para siyang 0 wins and 3 loss record. Naghanap para rin sila ng kanilang unang panalo. Samantala naman ang LUBAO, they have a 1 win, 1 loss record. This is only their 3rd game. 2 contrasting points para sa dalawang kupunan. Ang 1 Magalang, they are number 1 in turnovers. Yun ang kailangan na maigamot. That's why they've lost by widespread margin. Samantala naman ang LUBAO, natalo sila noong una pero nakabawi sila on their last game. What they need to improve on is to put premium in defense, especially on the big guys ng kanilang makakalaban. So let's see. 1 Magalang versus LUBAO. This is the 2nd game of our Delta Cup right here at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Stay tuned. Alright, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. We're going to show you now the starting 5 of both squads. For Magalang, we have Canlapang, Buton, Pangilinan, Guevara, and Estrabo. Para naman sa LUBAO, ang kanilang starting unit ay Delfino, M. Manalang, K. Manalang, Singke, and Pangan. Just like what we've discussed so far, ang 1 Magalang naghahanap pa rin sila ng kanilang unang panalo after 3 defeats. Samantala LUBAO naman, they are on a 1 win, 1 loss record, and we're just seconds away to start the small game at hand. Again, welcome po. Alin, dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Of course, alam na natin ang national team ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, they're just 1 win away doon sa kabilang liga. They will get the national champion, and of course pag nag-champion ng Pampanga, alam mo naman, napaka-generous ang ating buting governor and head coach, Governor Dennis Delta-Pineda. Salamat po salamat po sa iyong pagsuporta sa Pampanga, and this youth development of basketball like this will be a big help to boost the basketball expertise and repertoire of the Kapampangas, the gateway of Central Luzon. Our referees, nandito na. Study ng referees natin dalawa. Si Anthony Roque muli, ang crew chief. At of course, yung kasama dyan si Jong Banayat Jr. First possession, mintis doon ang LUBAO. So far, Magalang ay naghanap pa rin sila ng kanilang unang panalo. 3-point shot on its way. Wala. It goes overboard. That means over the backboard. Automatic violation. We have almost a 300+ crowd dito sa BREN Convention Center. Pero maingay ng bench sa both teams, ha? Here's the drive. Nakabutas dito ang LUBAO with the basket there. At si Manalang ang nakabuslo. We have 2 Manalangs actually. So we'll determine that later. In the meantime, a block. Remember, LUBAO, on the last game, nung natalo sila, it's a close one against Porac. I covered that game, one of the great games we have. And this guy, number 22, Manala, is the one who wax up. Kasasabi ko lang, ito na. Nakabuslo na siya ng tres. All 5 points of LUBAO coming from the Magalang brothers. 5-0 is the count. Good start here by LUBAO. Offline dito ang Magalang. So, another thing that they need to work on yung kanilang field goal shooting. Talagang they're shooting below 40% or even 30%. Samantala, may foul goal ang Magalang. And that's Trabo. That's jersey number 18. That's his first personal. We are almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. Wala pa rin score dito ang Magalang. Delfino. Promptly harassed, but that time niyakap na lang ni Guevara si Delfino, and Guevara will be called for his first personal foul. That's jersey number 10. You can see that on your screens. 2 team fouls para sa Magalang. Wala pa pong team foul ang LUBAO. Here it comes. 30 to shoot. Delfino, sabi niya, heads up play tayo mga kalubaos. 7 to shoot now. Magalang is the hero of the day. 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha na 1 Magalang. Here it comes. The drop to the big guy. Sapal, Panlapan was smothered underneath by Sinke. They'll try again. Only 9 on the shot clock. Inside incursion. Oy, sumabit si Sinke. Pumasok ang tira ni Buton. That's a basket. And Sinke will be called for his first foul. 3-point play opportunity for Buton. They gotta get a sweep play off the rebound. Ayun. Mentisto ng free throw. This is one of the dead last as far as free throw accuracy is concerned. Yan yung Magalang. 5-2 is our tally. Baseline drive. The Hawk, wala. And here's Magalang. They will settle down for half-court offense. Kanlapang nasa kalambangi. Nice fake. Nilabas muna. Estrado. First case of call. Traveling. 6:47 remaining sa ating first quarter. Delfino. Magalang. Squared up 3. At that time, it goes left. 5-2, LUBAO. Lamang ng 3 puntos. From the corner, 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound, that time foul. It will be against Magalang. It's a pushing foul by Buton. First personal on Buton. Pumuna si Estrado. Estrabo. Again, of course, in attendance sa ating tatakap, Tournament Commissioner Coach Leo Isab. 13 to shoot. The fadeaway. Malakas. So far, maganda rebound na dito ng Magalang. Hindi nila pinapapawal mag-LUBAO for second and third efforts. 100 shot block. Sinke. Second rejection. Fast break opportunity. It almost dropped, but he will be take 2 for that last foul against Magalang. Tatawagan si number 2 ng Magalang ng last foul. Kaya palitan ng tao. Take a look at this fast break. Ayun, binangga. That's a block. Binangga. That's Bongay. Call for foul. This is first personal foul. Free throws na para kay Delfino. Ready. Kind of Hollywood hairdo. Mapapansin nyo. Nagpapablandi siya ng konti. Split the charities. So 1 point lang doon si Delfino on that trip. Halos nangangalahati na tayo sa first quarter. Here's Buton with the drive, the drop, Guevara, set shot, ayaw, may tulak, sabi ng referee, and Buton will be the culprit. And Buton will be called for his second personal foul. Tignan natin sa replay. Ayun, may tulak. May ginamit ng konting body English dun si Manalang. Penalty situation in effect na, so free throws po. Matutunan natin para kay Manalang number 11. Manalang brothers so far, majority of their offensive output are coming from these youngsters. Second free throw is good for Manalang. So he has 3 points. (7-2) is the tally. The lead is 5 points. 5:23 remaining. Nice fake. Labas kaya yung Bongay. Bongay bounce pass. Eto, tira ni David. Bitin. Defensive rebound. Leak up. Wala pa rin. That's a hacking foul if I ever saw one. Kitang-kita yun. Here's the replay of what happened. Oh! Hindi tinawagan si Manalang, tinawagan si number 14 ng LUBAO. Free throw is good for Buton. 3 points now. But with 2 personal fouls. Si number 14 upo muna siya. LUBAO 7. Magalang 3. A turnover. Fast break for Buton, and Buton has all the 5 points of Magalang. Yan, live na po tayo sa Pampanga PIO mga kabalen. You can now like, share, and subscribe Pampanga PIO and also Sinag Liga Asia. In the meantime, Buton was fouled by Garcia. That's going to be the first foul on Garcia. Alright, free throw is no good. Para kay Manalang. One more free throw. So, parehong team, pareho may Manalang, ano? Ay, dahil si Buton pala yung sa kabila. Buton missed both free throws. Still 5 points. All the 5 points of Magalang scoring from Buton. And the other Manalang with the gutsy drive inside at matatawagan doon ng foul sa mga players na Magalang. That guy who was called for the foul, jersey number 5. Free throw, pasok para sa isang Manalang. He has 4 points. That's K Manalang. So one more free throw to shoot. Makes both. The lead is 4 for LUBAO, 9-5. Approaching 4 minutes remaining. Ito na yung low post play. Nice seal. David was rejected. Here comes the fast break of LUBAO. Went for naught. And nakontrol na Magalang rather. Ang bola. Alley-oop. No. Return pass. And David with a 2 pump fakes. Mini one by Magalang. And the lead now is chopped down to 2, 9-7. LUBAO calls the first time out, but not without this replay. I'm going to show you where the ceasefire here. Enjoy. Ayan, kanina pinakita yung pitik ni Direk sa ating mga naggagandahang dilag dito sa BREN Convention Center. And the score now is 9-7. It's a tally. Time remaining is 3 minutes and 35 inside. So turnover na naman laban sa LUBAO. Magandang pasa! How about that? What a touchdown! And we have a charging foul, says referee John Manayat. It's going to be against Delfino. Don't worry, Delfino. We'll show you the replay of that last part. Pwede ba natin makita yung direct? Malabo na, no? Ang bilis kasi na action, eh. Ito. Panoorin natin. Here's the pick. Ay, wala sa play. Dali. Sana top angle camera na. Pero anyway, balik tayo sa live action. Leak up from the corner, 3-ball. It's good! Oh, surprise package now for Magalang. Leak up has scored the last 5 points, but that time, huli siya ng referee, tinawagan siya ng blocking foul. And that will put them in penalty situation. Ayun, kita-kita yung bangga. So free throws now for the offended party. The stage is going to be Limoko. Right, 2 free throws now for this guy. Trailing by 3 dito ang LUBAO. And he bungled that first of 2 free throws. Tomorrow po huwag niyo po kakalimutan. It's AA basketball. We will be in Quezon City, 20 University of Asia, for our playoffs. Top 4 teams. Number 1 seed Lako, number 2 seed ICCT, 3rd seed ICC, and 4th seed PADS. Top 2 teams have twice a week advantage. We have a jump ball, and the ball possession will stay with Magalang. Lamang silang tatlo, 12-9, 2:38 first quarter. Meron na lamang silang 7 seconds on the shot clock. Manaloto. Are they aware of the shot? He put it up. Didn't hit iron. That's a shot clock violation. Approaching 2 minutes. Starting first quarter. Limoko. Heads up play para sa LUBAO. May push. May tulak. It's going to be offensive foul. Let's see that again in replay. Ano natin? Ano ba? Yan, makita. Ay, hindi natin nakita dyan. Yung angulo, wala sa ano. But anyway, the big guy, number 29 of LUBAO was called for the offensive foul. At it's Dahan. There's 2 minutes remaining. Wow, Likap has been waxing hot of late in this first quarter. He scored the last 8 points for Magalang. And a steal. One Magalang surprising LUBAO. That's the big scores, and they have an 8-point advantage. This is the best start so far for LUBAO after some games when we have a 3-point bomb exploded for LUBAO para kay Limoko. In the meantime, may repeat pa tayo before anything else. For both teams sign penalty, it will be free throw shots now for the offended party. First free throw, wala. This time he makes good. Pressure is on. And a basket para sa LUBAO. So they're just within 4, huh? In the meantime, we have a whistle. And it's going to be another case of traveling. Final 43 seconds in the first. The pirouette. Over the backcourt, mga kaibigan. Once again, one Magalang. Bag of tricks of that fast break finish. Likap. He's been waxing hard of late. He scored the last 11 points. We have a foul. Ang bihira ito si Likap po. Biruin mo after ng first 7 points ng Magalang, Likap scored the last 11. Wow. Narinig niyo mga kaibigan, iba sila mag-distract sa free throw, no? May halong ano no? May halong-halo no? Ha 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 ha. Something like that. 18.1 seconds remaining, 22-16. Magalang up by 4. We have a timeout. Ay, binabati ko nga pala yung isang fellow broadcaster ko. We'll be doing tomorrow's coverage of Velvet D-League in the AP Wellness Camp Aguinaldo, Dalil Alulud. If you're watching, thank you for the compliment. Alright, we're down to the last 16 seconds remaining. One Magalang surprising LUBAO with a 4-point lead. Last shot time na para sa nakaputi. Likap inside, blocked. Likap hustling, bustling. Ball tied up, jump ball na naman. And this center possession now will go back to LUBAO. 2.3 seconds. They need to put it up. Here's De La Cruz. Lets it fly. Oh! Back irons it. That's from 37 feet. Pero tapos na po tayo sa first quarter. Lamang ang Magalang lamang sa LUBAO. 20-16. As we take a look with some first quarter highlights. Just some of them. Ito yung una. Ito yung familiar 3-point bomb ni K. Manalang. And on the other side, it's also 3-point shot. But these are some of the highlights of the first quarter. Again, score natin 20-16. Magalang up by 4. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Alright, both teams nakatawag sila ng timeout ng first quarter. Magandang umaga po. Mga kabalin, live na live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Yours truly, Juan Pao, doing the call of Delta Cup, powered by the Pampanga Information Office and also Sinag Liga Asia. Second quarter is now underway. Magalang up by 4. Big pick provided by Dizon. Nabitawan ng bola. Turnover, go back to LUBAO. Went into 16 now. Nice to De La Cruz. Starter step. Drives hard. Lays it up. Wala. Good one-on-one defense by Marikina. Cross court to Hika. It's been the hottest kind of floor. Shot clock a problem. 7 seconds. That shot won't bite. Bang and rebounds. Tumatakbo ang naka-asul. Inside incursion, get it. Score doon, number 8 ng Lubao na si De La Cruz. Here's the drive. The shot almost went in. Pushing foul number 2. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Top view camera. Ayun, minangga. Okay, that's a foul. Smart foul there, huh? One more free throw pass sa kanya, number 28. It's both. .840 remaining to 4-point lead for Magalang. Again, this is game 2 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, what a spin by Delfino! Sayang naman doon. Meron tayong foul laban kay Delfino. Great pirouette, just the shot. Back irons it. Of course, set up now for... Oh, a line 3-point shot here from 30. He wants to be Steph Curry at all. May foul tayo. Alam mo, paminsan-minsan pag mga batang naglaro, no, may mga strange things silang ginagawa. No? Parang sabi niya, hindi, coach, eksperimento ko lang to. May mga coach na papagalitan ka talaga. Oy, pero kapag bata ang coach, hayaan ka lang. No? Para, yun nga yung tinatawag na totoong learning experience. In the meantime, Delfino. 3-point bomb, no explosion. Medyo nalalamig ang shooting ng Lubao. They missed the last 3 shots. Started a great crossover. Get it to go. That deserves a highlight by Manaloto. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Iniwanan. Ayun, nagpasabit. Wala nang magawa doon si Zita. That will be his first personal foul. So yung mga batang gustong matuto mag-crossover yun. Sinample lang na kayo ni Manaloto on how to use the proper crossover. In the meantime, Delfino answers back with his first field goal actually. Medyo close ang ating second game. The lead is 5 para sa Magalang. And this time they Limero force a turnover. Babalik sa bola sa Lubao. They have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Time remaining 7:23 in the game clock. You can see that on the lower right hand side of your screens. Turnaround, no good. Oh, great. Almost a great rebound there. But a good pitch once again. Leak up almost went in to his layup. And he almost got a steal. Wow, leak up is everywhere. Leak up is everywhere. We can really intimidate you in many ways or so. At si Bongay babalik sa laro para sa Magalang, who have fielded 15 players this morning. 14 to shoot now. Oy! Huli ni Anthony Roque. It's an offensive foul, a moving pick. So yun ang call ng referees natin. Let's see that again. Ayun. Tumalsik. It's gonna be a foul against Lubao. And number 2 will get away. Ay! It's a technical foul on the head coach of Lubao for unsportsmanlike behavior. He got a complaint to referee Jong Balay, and he also got a complaint to the officials. So that's big news for Lubao. First free throw is good. Napatayo na tuloy dito si Comdale Isaac. This development. And Manaloto now has 6 points. .6:45 remaining in the second. Inside incursion, Lizon can't make it. Still in the front court. Here's the shot by Limero. Nice leaning shot there. Or Limuco rather. Limuco pala yun. He has 5 points. 26-22. Hang time. Wow! Oh, that's beauty for Manaloto. That's beauty. That's great balance. He's going to be a veteran of this squad. Let's see that again. Oh, great hang time yun. Nagpasabit. Foul doon si Sinke. The second person. Oh, I want to greet former UNTV employee now. Works in the BPO industry. And teleperformance. Raymond Laksa of Marikina City. Hello, Raymond. You heard your shout out. Uh-oh. Nakala ng Lubao, baller nila. Pero sabi ni referee John Panaya, it could be a baller for... Oh, bola nga, tama. Sorry, bola ng Lubao. Some pressure for the backcourt. And another foul given up. Shot clock's at 23 seconds. Here it comes, Lubao on the offensive. They're trailing by 6 points. Medyo flat ang shooting ng Lubao, ha. Ayun, nagmimintis pa rin sila. Bongay pitch. Ito na naman. He attacks. Manaloto against 4 defenders. Block. You can easily pass that shot to an open teammate because his teammates are in the cylinder. Jump shot, nothing. Hang time move, does not drop. Still Blue Shirts has it. Finally a basket. Finally. Tagal-tagal na din nakascore dito ang Magalang. First field goal for Dahan. The lead is 4, 28-24. So turnover na naman para sa Magalang. Yun ang kailangan hiwasan dito na Magalang yung yung sunod-sunod na turnovers. Delfino has it. Sidestep. His drop pass intercepted. Fast break again. And Manaloto was fouled. First foul on 22 Manalang. Take a look at this slow-mo replay. Free throws now for this guy. He's been a steady force for Magalang. He's now 4 of 6 from the free throw. It's the last 2 after made 4. Leak up once again. Already scored 14 if I'm not mistaken. We have a foul from the rear. Dami nating fouls in the corner. .18 seconds on the shot clock. Lead is 6. 4 and 29 remaining in the first half. From the corner. Up fake. The hawk. Wala. Penalty na po dito ang Lubao. Oh, nice drop. Buton. Smothered. And we have a technical foul on Buton for excessive complaining, and that will be his 3rd personal foul. Hindi natin kung ano nangyari dito. Yun yung Blanca. Ay, reklamo siya. Yun, technical siya ni Crew chip natin na si Anthony the Rookie Roque. And number 22 Manalang cans in the technical free throw. A very quiet 6 points for Manalang from his usual average of 21 a game. On the shot clock. Another rejection, and Manaloto stepping up the plate for Magalang on both ends of the court. Manalang for 3. Rims out. .16 to shoot now. Hang time, Manaloto. Wala. Tipping. Ayaw pa rin. Here's David. Sobra. Tipping. Fourth effort. That's 6 offensive rebounds for Magalang. And they keep on hustling and busting. And Sinke is now beleaguered with this. Let's see that again. Straight up, but the referee saw it that there's contact downstairs. Titira ng free throw para sa Magalang si David. 13 lumalayo dito Magalang, pero hindi nagpapatalo dito ang Lubao. He's a good shooter. He has almost a master stroke. Makes both. And 7 points now for the mid. 3:34 remaining. Almost a backcourt violation, but the referee says it's legal. Eight on the shot clock. From the corner, 3, Manalang can't bite. And here comes the white shirts of Magalang. Foul counted! What a quarter by Manaloto. It's like hitting the jackpot. Take a look at this. Tremendous body control. And the ensuing free throw they miss. And Lubao is on a double-digit deficit. And we have a foul against Magalang. That's only the 14th foul. (34-25). Magalang drives. Starter step. Put it back. It goes. Counted. Finally, first field goal of Kay Magalang since the first quarter. Believe it or not, a quiet 8 points for him. Once more, Manaloto lowering over the court. He's leading all scorers with 12 points. Hang time move. He draws the foul. All right. With 2:09 remaining, Magalang 36, Lubao 27. We have a timeout. Here are some of the players that will play later on. Yan. Salamat din sa 600 plus na sumubaybay ngayon sa PIO Facebook page at ngayon din sa Sinagwing Asia. Right, let's greet them. Franz Torno, si Botic, and free throw made by Delfino. 4 points now for Delfino, make that 5. We're approaching the 2-minute warning of the second quarter. 36-29, Magalang up by 7. Here comes the drive. Up fake. Put it up. No. Magalang has it. Perfect pitch out. That's a tremendous rejection by Manaloto. Stepping up para sa Magalang. Talaga nag-level up si Manaloto. Look at that. Skying high for that shot clock. Under 2 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. Tip in. Partially rejected. There's no call. Fast break. And here comes Sneak up with a drop pass. Magalang. What a second quarter for them. First field goal for Bongay. The lead is 9 points. 3-point shot, 1 bite. Will be a blue ball for LUBAO. And they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. And time substitution. 1 minute and 18, both teams in penalty. And so far, Magalang caught LUBAO by surprise. Delfino susubok sa 3. Hindi pumasok. And this one, leak up. Manning the forward catchers brilliantly. Oh, 3-point shot from top of the key. It back irons it. And a basket by Kanlapan. On the other hand, oh, look at that. Manaloto rejects the shot earlier. And now, Kanlapan joins the block party. Yan yung tinatawag na piso. However, that particular shot, referee says there's a foul up downstairs. So, Kanlapan will be called for his first personal. Sinke missed ball free throw. It's going to be, oh! There is a excessive elbow. Let's have a review. Take a look at this. On this replay. Oh, it's caught. Huli yun. Let's review this. Let's review this once again, direct. Let's review it. Isa pa. Top view camera. Yan, ha? Here's the free throw. Okay, slow it down, direct. Sige. That same speed. Oh! A fist on the chin. Yeah, one more time. Let's see. So this can be upgradable one more time around the block. Okay, here it comes. Ito, slow down. Look at the left hand. Here it comes. Ito na. Oh, that's big. That is big. The referee has decided that Manalang will be thrown out with a disqualifying foul because of the closed fist that he had, and he's now out of the playing court. He's not anymore in exile, but he will be sent to the showers. It will be sent out of the playing court. That is big. Malaki yun. Bawal na bawal po sa ating mga players na mag-close fist, manuntok sa kahit anong parte ng katawan. That's an automatic disqualifying foul as updated FIBA rules of 2022. Yan na po, si Manalang ay uuwi muna. He will pack his bags and will be sent out of the venue here in BREN GUIAO. Okay. So Malalang is out. Oh, hello kay Jello. Hello. Salamat sa panonood dito sa ating Delta Cup. Medyo nagka-problema ang konting LUBAO. They're one man down. Malalang, number 11, is out of the game because of that disqualifying foul. So it will be 2 free throws for Magalang and ball possession for them with 45 seconds, and it will be free throws para kay David. So napaka-importante po na i-ano natin. Huwag tayong gagawa ng mga sinasabi nga direct, no? Huwag tayong gagawa ng extracurricular. Kahit sa mga ganyan free throws, nahuhuli pa rin ang camera, eh, di ba? Pwede ka mag-box out pero ganyanin mo, hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede sa basketball yun. There's no place in the world of basketball those type of extracurricular activities. Okay, sabi ni Mark Ken Peña, shoutout po kay Lester Fake Kapati. We'll do the shoutout later on at halftime. Back to live action. Kanlapan will drive. And 2 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up in time, but it didn't hit iron. But the referee says there's a foul at the buzzer sounds. Big break again for LUBAO. And we have, ayan. Pansinin natin ha, ayan oh. It's a blocking, hindi siya blocking foul ha. Sabi ni referee Jong Banayat, ganito. Ganito ang symbol. Now, let me educate the people here dito sa Delta Cup. Pag may nakita kayong horizontal tawag dito, na wave na ganito, yung foul ni Guevara dyan, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay defensive illegal cylinder foul. Ganyan ha? Ganyan direct. Yung two palms mo, binaba mo horizontal, vertically ng referee, that's a defensive illegal cylinder foul. Yan ang bagong term ng FIBA noong 2022. Yan ang tawag ni Jong Banayat. At meron tayong dalawang player na nagkabanggaan. There's a collision. Take a look at this from the inbound. Boom! Boom! Oh, they bang heads at each other. They bang heads at each other. Nagkauntukan ng ulo, mga kaibigan. And that's how physical this second game is. Kaya medyo nagtatagal tayo. Both teams also in penalty situation. So the other Manalang will be now doing the scoring chores for LUBAO. Free throw is good. Alright. Sabi ni head coach, magpakalma muna tayo. Cool muna tayo. Lamang tayo ng 12. Huwag tayong gagawa ng mga init ng ulo na ganito. Let's take cool and let's take this time out. Shall we? Okay, with 22 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Medyo mahaba ang ating first half. But anyway, it will come to an end in just a few. Pressure from the backcourt. And Sinket steals it. Here's the other Manalang. Delfino drives. Back to Manalang. Ay! Napituan sila ng 3-second violation. Ayun, huling-huli. 12 seconds, the pitch. David changes it. Back pass, David fakes, puts it up. No. Sinke with 2 seconds, 1 second. Delfino for 3. Wala. Diyan nagtatapos sa ating first half. Ang ating score 42-30. Lamang ang Magalang ng 12. Coming up next, we're gonna have the halftime highlights and the leading scores when Delta Cup continues after this. We're on halftime break. Ang ating score is 42 to 30. Lamang po ang Magalang, surprisingly, labang sa one of the top teams, LUBAO. And big development na po sa ating first half. Out of the playing court na po yung jersey number 11 ng LUBAO, si Manalang, because of a disqualifying foul nung sa free throw. Ngayon, let's update. Let's have this look for our first half highlights. Direct, let's show us some of the highlights for this first half. Ito yung sa Magalang kanina. Great crossover, good body control, foul and one when I see Manaloto. On the other hand, Delfino gets away. Hindi siya ng foul pero wala. And then fadeaway shot is good para sa LUBAO, para kay number 10. At muli si Manaloto, talagang namayagpag si Manaloto. Actually, he's now the top scorer, leading all scores. As we take a look at the leading scores for both squads, let's start with Magalang. Let's show this. Yes, 13 points. Manaloto, Likap following suit with 12, and Buton had 5. For LUBAO, the King Manalang had scored 10, Delfino with 5, and Lorico with 5. Alright, in just a few minutes, magsisimula po ang second half. Stay with us. The score is 42 to 30. Magalang up by 12. This is Delta Cup. Alright, nakita na po yung mga magiging nating referees. Of course, the two of them. Kilala ko, si Anthony Daruki Roque and Jong the Banayat Whiskey Banayat Jr. Kaya ko lang mga na binansagan na ganyan because whenever Jong Banayat smile, he looks like Dolphy. Alright, start na po tayo na ating third quarter. And okay, ayos lang natin yung lente ng ating yan. Yan, medyo malinaw na. Hindi na masakit sa mata. 42 to 30. 15 seconds gone by in this third quarter. Ito na ang 3-point shot. Nakapos para sa Magalang. Okay, mag-adjust lang po kami ng lente. Medyo lumabo ulit. That's a 3-point shot. It's in. Manalang, number 22, cash in the 3-point shot. And he now has 14 points. And the out-of-bounds rate will go to what? Babalik ang bola sa LUBAO. 14 seconds on the shot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inside, it's blocked. And here's Delfino on the fast break. Delfino, so good na so good. Will take 2 shots. He draws a foul. So it's going to be a holding foul of somebody. Careful lane for Delfino. Again, humingi po kami ng paumanin. Yung sa top view camera medyo malabo. Pero ayusin namin yan. Pagka Nagawa natin ng paraan ganyan kasing linaw doon sa side court. Ayan, medyo malinaw-linaw na yan. 42-34 mga kaibigan. The lead is 8 points for Magalang, and slowly but surely LUBAO slowly coming back. 3-point shot on its way. Yes! Surprise hit by Givan. Lead is 9 points. Mayroon tayong tulak. It's gonna be a push. Yes, number 31 ng Magalang. See that again in replay. Nagkabruskuhan. Nagkabruskuhan. That's Pangilinan. That's the first personal foul on Pangilinan. LUBAO still on a 9-point deficit. Magalang libre sa 3. That's his shot. Magalang pumasok. Lead is 11. 8:09 to go in the third. 8 on the shot clock. Two on the shot clock. It hit iron. Play continues. Magalang gives it up to Delfino from the baseline. Delfino creates. And he gets a foul. Second personal yan ni Canlapan. Hindi mo makakaasahan si Delfino kapag medyo nagigipit ang Magalang brothers. Nakakapag-manufacture pa siya. Good crossover against a defender. A little body English there by Delfino. And will take 2 free throws. Delfino now has 7 points. That's his first miss on the free throw line. He's now 4 out of 5. Miss both. Still a foul against the white shirts. They forgot boxing out Fajardo. First free throw is no good. Miss both. You see the reaction of the bench? Parang sisigaw sila, no? Ah! Pagulat no? On the other hand, a turnover. Delfino lost it. League up, steals it, going all the way, drops it off, and pays off with a handsome basket by David. He has 10 points. The pressure is on, 13-point lead. And this time, another case of traveling. And sabi ni the rookie Roque, settle down guys, settle down, at may kasamang ngiti. Fresh 14 now para sa white shirts. And so far they're looking good on this quarter. 3-point shot from the corner. Wow! League up is waxing hot this morning. Napapabati dito si Carlo Di Marukot. Louis Pampanga in the meantime. Where there's a whistle. Let's see that again in the last bit of action slow-mo. Ayun, no basket pero si Nico. Let's have a review. Let's have a review on that, the last bit of action slow-mo. Okay, direct top view camera tayo. Yung replay, yung instant replay, top view camera. Let's review the last bit of action. Okay, here's the shot. Here's the shot. Okay, slow down, slow down. Ooh. Okay, one more time, direct. Same play, one more time. Okay. Yan, tama. Slow down, slow down. Yan. Tamang.
Asan na si... Nag-swing ba? Walang swing? Walang swing eh. Ordinary lang. Ordinary lang.
It's just an ordinary foul. It's just a foul. It's an ordinary foul. That's not an unsports. It's downgraded to just a ordinary foul. Good call. And it appreciates the Magalang on the bench. And the coaching staff of LUBAO complaining on that last bit of action, but the play continues now quickly. It will trickle in. What a game by Likapa. It's almost on the 20-point zone in this ball game. Lorico has gone cold. Oh, ito yung contrast. Lorico on the last game scored 17, but now he only has 5. And we're still live here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Okay, upo muna si Limoko while subpar performance. Six minutes remaining this third. Oh, nice getaway there. So the two guys, Likap and Manaloto, collaborating each other with this magnum opus performance by Magalang, already with an 18-point lead. And so far, LUBAO has playing its below par game. It's a opposite contrast from what they have performed in the last two games. Up fake, Pangan. Even him can't buy a basket. And this time, the free will remain sure. Halfway point of the third quarter. And this time, this will be another traveling. (54-38). Lead is 16 points para sa Magalang na talaga namang nakakapandig balahibo pa ng performance. Sapal sana yun pero may foul, may tulak. And this guy, Dizon, playing great defense. At pareho kami ng timbang, Dizon. Ayun, sapal, may foul. 54-38 is our count. The lead is 47. (16-point edge). Magalang already in penalty. One team foul pa lamang ang LUBAO, but that won't happen. It's Delfino missed another free throw. It's his second miss, or this is his third miss rather, from the free throw line. Makes it. The lead is 15. Akagulat ano? Pamang di-distract sa free throw. Manlasan short. Four and a half minutes remaining. The lead is 15 points. Manaloto almost went in. Here's the drive and the bucket. Okay. Ang Magalang ay tatawag ng timeout with a 13-point lead. Good timeout to call for 11 remaining. Magbabalik pa po ang Delta Cup. With 4 minutes and 11 remaining so far, Magalang with a 13-point lead. That's off the inbound. It's going to be an offensive foul against Magalang. That would be Bongay. That's the guilty party. Ayun, tinulak talaga. That's his second personal foul. And Bongay will check out para sa Magalang. 15-point edge. Or rather, 13-point edge na. 54-41. Fresh 14 for the Blue Shirts. Here's Manana. He needs to pick up the scoring cudgels. Nako. Walang nangyari doon sa opensa ng Lubao as we have Manaloto drops it up again. Oh, look at the hard work and dexterity of Manaloto loading over the court. Lead is 15 now. Magalang up by 15. The drive inside didn't pay off. White shirts in cruise control of the letter. Manaloto and a steal by Rufino. It's going to be a fast break finish. (15 to shoot now. Here's Likap from the base. Likap puts it up. Talagang no? Inutakan niya ang kanyang kabantayan doon. When he heard the whistle, he just threw it up. And Likap will shoot 2 free throws on the free throw line. Baker's dozen. 13-point lead with 3 minutes and 7. Pasok ko ng free throw ni Likap. Splits. And Likap now has 18 points. Baseline. Nagaalang siya ng Adair. And we have substitutions on the floor now para sa the White. Sa Magalang. Balik na ulit si Manaloto. Ayan, chillax lang kasi after this, meron pa ako bukas, ISAA. Kailangan i-preserve ako yung boses. Sabi nga ng aking mentor boses ang puuna. Ilagay lang natin sa lugar. No? Samantala, balik tayo sa bonding. Sinker. Miss both free throws. The lead is 14. 3-point shot del Pino. Ayaw talaga. The shooting is not sinking. Almost a brilliant assist there. And they throw the ball away. Very chance opportunity for LUBAO to score. Fast break finish. Nakapapasok lang na player para sa LUBAO. 2:25 in the third. That's the Leon. Nicely done by Buton. We are approaching the 2 minutes of this third. From the corner 3. Voila. LUBAO saves it. Grabbing inside. We have time foul. So masusubukan pa rin ng LUBAO. After the free throw accuracy. Take a look at this replay. Nice upgrade. And automatic foul yun. Both team, Magalang, kanina pa sila yung penalty. Masok ang unang free throw. Under 2 minutes remaining, 1 minute and 55. LUBAO 46, Magalang 59. Makes the second. 59-47. Medyo physical at medyo mahit ang ating second game. Matagal din. Manaloto will drive hard. Spins, turn. Almost lost. Time to shoot. Ball yanked away. Another foul given up. So ito ang advantage ng LUBAO to exploit because of the penalty situation by Magalang as early as the 7-minute mark in the third quarter. Let's take a look at that last replay. Kita may foul. Holding foul. And Magalang is a dead shooter. Second is good. The lead is 10 points. A minute and a half remaining. It's going to be a foul against LUBAO. Only the second team foul on LUBAO. And Magalang will be called for his second personal foul. Seven to shoot. Inside pass. Reverse. Foul. For the free throws now, take a look at this replay. Ito yung foul. And sa Magalang, huwag na sila masyadong kumpiyansa. Kasi alam naman natin ang LUBAO is a fourth quarter team. Magalang might take this third quarter but will not underestimate a possible fourth quarter comeback by LUBAO because they did that in the very first game. A minute remaining this third. Here's the driving play. He got it to go. Delfino. Suddenly, the lead, which once stood at 17, now down to 8. Tinapyas ng kalate. Dito time. Yes. Lead is 7. 50 ticks remaining. Now, this is an interesting ball game to watch. Trying to shoot. Voila. And the ball goes back to LUBAO. At ito na yung sinasabi kong comeback ng LUBAO. Hello kay Alvin Tanyada. He will be also joining Sinay Asha tomorrow. 21 seconds to go. The lead is 7. Here's Delfino. Goes left, fires a three-point shot, top of the key. Yes! Suddenly, LUBAO within 4. 3 seconds to go. Malaloto goes on the clock. They're going to expire the clock. That's it. Voila, comeback by LUBAO in this third quarter. The score, LUBAO 55, Magalang 59. Let's take a closer look direct at some of the highlights ng ating third quarter. Panoorin natin yung mga highlights ng ating third quarter of what has been a major uprising by LUBAO. Take a look. 100 shot. Pasok. Tama si LUBAO this fast break finish. That started it all by delay on the third quarter. Meron pang isa. Paano naman si LUBAO? Itong 3-point shot niya. Dago yan. 59 for Magalang, 55 for LUBAO. Back for the fourth quarter action. This is Delta Cup. Okay, we're about to start on the fourth quarter action of this second game of 6. Teka lang. Basa yung sahig. And while we're waiting that, let's review the first game kanina. Nanalo ang San Simon laban sa Malamba Balakat 76-69. Don't forget, tomorrow I'll be covering with Dave Lozano from Sinaliga Asia for the ISAA sa Manila, sa Preston International College. For this weekend of Delta Cup, we only have Saturday Delta Cup, but next week we'll be back on the Saturday-Sunday games. Alright. Fourth quarter is underway. Leak up, inside, reverse, block, rebound. Nakuha pa rin ni Manaloto. Drives hard. Inside, block again. Dahil hindi marinig ang whistle, pinito rin ni John Banayan na it is a ball for Magalang with only 3.6 seconds on the shot clock. 3.6 seconds. Bounce pass. Reverse. 1 second on the shot clock. Wala na. It is a shot clock violation. Halos sa Magalang. Sudden and imminent fourth quarter collapse emanating there. Ito na ang Lubao on their comeback aspirations. Delfino will make it play. There's a pick provided by Sinke. Delfino 3 once more. Back irons it. Manaloto clears the board. Ball is loose. De Leon picks the ball up. Here's the drive by Manalang. Side step. Is that counted? It counts. It counts. It counts. So there's a basket and a technical foul on the win. That will be his third personal. So may technical tayo kay David due to sportsmanlike behavior. So talaga naman dumadami. Nagiging physical ang ating laban. Basket there ng Manalang. And this time, 3-point play opportunity in the offing. If he makes this, they can tie this game at 59. The last time we tied is at 4 apiece. Way back in the first quarter. Still a 1-point game. It's a very intense ball. You can tell, you can sense. Even on a far vantage point like this, you can sense that this game is so physical. Boom. Here's Manaloto. He crossed the 8-second line. It's a 1-point Magalang lead. Manaloto makes his move right down the baseline. Fakes, fires, no. Rebound, De Leon. Chance now to Lubao to grab the lead for the very first time. Right down the base, spin, stirs the hook. Good! It's good! And Manlisan will be called for technical for another unsportsmanlike behavior. So bawal na yung mga ganun. Calmly sinks it. It's leak up. If Magalang wins, he will be one of the best players. But if LUBAO can pull up a comeback, it will be Delfino or Manalang will be the best player of the world. The other Manalang, actually. Because earlier, the other Manalang was thrown out of the court. Shot clock at 9 from the corner. Here's the shot by David offline. And here comes LUBAO. Save was not enough. Manaloto wants to restore order, but to no avail. David drops it up. Manalola puts it in. (62) Magalang, 60 for LUBAO. There is another whistle. It's going to be a foul against Canlapan. Oh boy, this game is very, very physical. Attributes of this who wins. That means who wins it will have more self-control than others. 3 team fouls now for Magalang. Dalawa pa lamang sa LUBAO. 3-point shot from the left corner. No. Dito Shakla. Third goal to Magalang. Lead is 2 for Magalang. 7 minutes remaining and change. Playoff period. Manaloto. Stumble upon. There's a foul. All right, they're still trying to fix something here. There's some technical things, especially for the players lineup. They're now checking with the organizers. There's a place here for LUBAO. And while we're checking here, like, share, and subscribe on Facebook page on both Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga Asia. We're both live on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, so since we still have this lull, let's greet some of the Facebook viewers here. We have OG Depogi. OG Depogi, no? Harold Sening, hello. Miset Naval, Paulo Haramilla. These are some of the fans that are locked in. We're now checking some of the players if they are eligible to play. Okay. May chine-check lang yung mga officials natin headed by Commissioner Reyes if they are eligible to play or not. (62-60) now is our count. It's a 2-point lead. 7 minutes remaining in this game. Binabati ko aking partner, Alvin Tanyada. We'll be doing some venue announcer duties in other leagues. Again, this is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Chairman Rocky Chan, President CEO Ray Allen. Of course, in attendance is Commissioner Leo Saak, Tournament Commissioner for Delta Top, and also the COO. 7 minutes remaining, 14 to shoot now. Inside play for the white shirts. Turns around, David. So Blanquira, Manaloto has it, but it's out of bounds. .650 remaining in this ball game. Magalang 62, LUBAO 60. Nice escape act by Delfino. Ties again the count at 62. Hindi nagpapatalo talaga dito ng LUBAO. All teams at 3 team fouls apiece. Tenor to Shakla. Spin move didn't work. Here comes LUBAO. A chance to grab the lead for the very first time since the first quarter. Delfino for three. Air ball. Good intention, but it didn't happen. All right, we have another timeout. We are tied at 62. We'll be right back. Six minutes and two remaining, and we are almost halfway point of this game. Let's see if Magalang can hang on to it. Tabla tayo at 62. 7 to shoot now for the white shirts. Leak up drives, the drop up, and that's a foul by Sinke. He's now in dire foul trouble with 4 personal fouls. Ay, hindi na pala. Kamali pala ako. 5 fouls na si Sinke, and he's out of the game. He's now in exile. Tingnan natin last. Ayun. Parang sumabit si Sinke. That's it for Sinke. Tied game at 62, 5:38 in the balance. Pasok. Only 3 points for Bongay. Well, prime candidates for the best player. If Magalang would win, it would be Likap. If LUBAO would win, it would be Delfino. 2 free throws made for Bongay. 4 points in this game. 1 point. Magalang lead. Delfino makes his move. Nakarangan. Here's a drive. Shot. Short. Not easy rebound there ni Manaloto. Halfway point na tayo sa ating final quarter. Here's the fake, the drive, the getaway. Hanlapan. Restores back the lead of Magalang to 3 points, 65-62. Hang time move. It pay off. Manlasang. He has 4. 3-point shot won by. Rebound Delfino. Big chance to LUBAO to grab the lead for the very first time since the first quarter, but it was taken away. Bola uli ng Magalang. Pass break. Manlasang. Gibbs. LUBAO something to smile about. They have a 1-point lead. Not for long. As the lead restores back the lead for Magalang. 67-66. Time down to 3 minutes and 55. Corner 3. Manlasang heating up. He scored the last 9 points for LUBAO in absence of number 11 Malalang. Three-point shot from the left corner. And step on the line, it will stay with the blue shirts of LUBAO. (69-67). 14 seconds on the shot clock, 3 minutes and 27 in the game. Anything can happen in this one. Especially one player for LUBAO that's already out of commission. That's Magalang, who had a disqualifying foul earlier due to close fist. Off the screen, nice play, block, but there's Bungay who will be called for the foul. That will be his third personal. So anything can happen. Yeah, that replay. There's that last bit of action earlier. You saw it. Important free throws now. First is good. What a quarter by this guy, Magalang. 10 points of this coming in this fourth. In the absence of Magalang, he takes over the scoring chores. It's good. 11 points for Magalang. The lead is 4 now for LUBAO. Here comes the failure by the White Church. Now the pressure is on. Three minutes remaining. Here's Delfino dancing around Mananoto. Back dribbles at 10 to shoot. Delfino makes his move. Oh, he's balled out Manaloto and hits the three! Oh, a la James Harden, Delfino. It's one of the prime candidates of the best player of the ballgame. Honors. Foul inside. It will be 2 free throws. It's Dalian will be called for his second foul. I want to see that again, that ankle breaker. These on free throw. No. What a comeback by LUBAO. Smoke. Corner 3. Hang time move. Basket counts by Guevara. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Kita mo yung flight na yun. Taas ng lipad. Magawa doon si Dalian to foul. 3-point play completed for Guevara. He only has 6 tonight, or this morning rather. 4-point game. Seconds. Here it comes, Delfino. Delfino crossover. Step back 3 by Delfino. No. And we're down to the last 2 minutes. 70-74. LUBAO up by 4. Here's Manaloto, brings it down, almost off balance. Here's the jumper from the corner, rattles in. It's a basket there by Guevara. He has 7. The lead now is down to 2. 74-72. LUBAO with 1:50 remaining in this fourth quarter. Here it comes now. Delfino brings it downtown. Delfino want to cross it over his defender. Delfino will drive. Up to the pass, intercepted, not the league up chance, not to tie. It will be a tie game. Yes, sir. Just when you thought that LUBAO can come back, suddenly Magalang responds promptly, and we have a timeout. Of course, one of the referees here, the Banayat Whiskey, Jong Banayat Jr. He's now a widow, but he's enjoying the best of time, one of the FIBA international referees. Tied at 74, minute and 36. Full court inbound now for LUBAO. Here it comes. Here's De Leon. We'll bring it downtown for LUBAO. De Leon going up court. Will drive against Tison. Nowhere to go. Outside. Here it's Manalang. Manalang spots from 17. Goes! 76-74. A minute and 21 remaining in this ball game. Here's League Up now. Here's the big guy, Buton. Buton has it. 60 to shoot. Low post play. He will drive hard. Spins. Turns. Buton attacks. Nowhere to go. Rebound control by Manalang. The lead is 2. They want to take care of that basketball well enough. And that's going to be a foul. And that will mean penalty situation. It's a foul on Guevara. That will mean free throws for the offended party. So this game, anything can happen. But we have a timeout by LUBAO. We'll be right back. Okay, free throws now for LUBAO. The score 76-74. 2 important free throws for Delfino. He didn't get it. A minute to go in this ball game. Score still undecided. Anything can happen. Delfino missed both free throws. He rebound controlled. Here's Manaloto with a pitch. Guevara didn't catch it on time. He didn't catch it on time. LUBAO now will take care of that basketball. 76-74. 53 ticks to go. De Leon brings it downtown against Buton. De Leon gives it up to Delfino. Delfino helps it to Malala. Back to Delfino. 12 seconds to shoot. 44 seconds in the game. Delfino attacks the lane. Delfino hang time move. Got it to go! Got it to go! What a time. Let's take a look at the slow-mo replay. 4th foul on Buton. It's now a 2-possession game. And making it a 5-point game. He does! We have a timeout by Magalang with 38.7 seconds. We'll be right back. (79-74) is the count. It's a 5-point lead thanks to Delfino's late exploits. Top scoring with 21 points. And now Magalan's on the 2-point deficit. Here's Dizon. Dizon has the basketball. Dizon, that's a much smaller guy on him. Double team, triple team. The bounce pass outside. Here's Manaloto. Has been silent in the 4th quarter. The spin, the turn. He was fouled. It's going to be a foul against LUBAO. It will be against all Delfino, only second personal foul, but it's going to be 2 free throws for Manaloto. Manaloto has 18 points, but nothing in the fourth quarter. Only the first point of Manaloto in this fourth quarter. He has 19. Missed the second. Rebound control by Delfino. 25 seconds. The lead is 4. 79-75. Pressure from the backcourt. Magalang has it. Magalang, nice up break! 81-75. No more time remaining for the white shirts. Snap break by Manaloto. He puts it up and in. No foul. 81-77. 21 points now for Manaloto. Okay, the referees will pick up the ball to avoid any further altercation. 15 seconds to go, they need to foul, and it's going to be instant foul given up by David. That's his fourth personal. 81-77. The door on the foot of LUBAO to the green line of victory. If he made 2 free throws, almost certain. Manlasan missed the first. 4-point game. Makes the second. 82-77. Pass, 13 seconds. They need the 3-point shot. Here's David. Finds the 3-point shot from the left corner. Partially deflected. Rebound up for Delfino, and that should do it. LUBAO wins 82-77. That's the final score. What a comeback by LUBAO. They will improve the record with 2 wins and 1 loss. And Magalang still winless with 0-4. But what a valiant effort by Magalang. Best player of the ball game honors for Delfino coming up after this.
(82-77) ang ating final score. Nanalo ang LUBAO by the skin of their teeth. Of course, CJ Delfino, ating best player. CJ, medyo flat ang first quarter ng LUBAO, lalo na nag-init ang Magalang, nag-press sila. Pero ninegate mo yan in the second half. At kahit 1 man down kayo, hindi pa rin nawala ang puso ng LUBAO, ha?
Nag-usap-usap kami halftime. Kinausap ko mga teammates ko, tsaka mga coaches namin na sinabi ko sa kanila dumepensa lang kami na maayos makuha namin laro namin. Yun lang.
Now CJ, alam natin yung iba pang mga matitinding makakalaban nyo will be a much slower defender. Meron kayong quickness, meron kayong puso, at kahit nagkakaroon kayo ng konti sa foul trouble, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang laban ng LUBAO. Paano nyo ma-maintain yan o ma-improve pa going to the playoffs?
Ma-improve itong laro namin training lang kami ng training. Makuha rin namin yung laro namin. Yun lang. Pinapagawa sa amin ng mga coaches namin. Yun lang.
Okay, CJ, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ballgame, meron ka pang gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Unang-una po, binabati ko po ang mayora namin na Ma'am Esmia, tsaka si Vice Mayor J. Montemayor. Tsaka binabati ko rin po mga Kapampangan na nanonood dito. Tsaka taga LUBAO po. Tsaka yung pamilya ko po, yung asawa ko po, yung anak ko po, yun lang po.
Alright, CJ Delfino, our best player of the ballgame. Coming up next, it's going to be Candaba versus Masmuan. We're 2 games down, 4 games to go. This is Delta Cup.